Okay investors, so welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we're talking about Zomedica and also Transenterix. So I've been getting a lot of questions as to are these two penny stocks still a buy. So yeah, in this video we're going to talk about both stocks and are both stocks still a buy and what price should you look to buy this stock, and also we'll talk about price predictions. So with these two stocks, I've been recommending Zomedica since it was at 48 cents and Transenterix since it was at $1.16. So back then, people asked me, are they still a buy? Zomedica went to 90 cents. Is it still a buy? Transenterix went to $2. Is it still a buy? And now Zomedica is at $1.12 and Transenterix is at $3.38. So the way I see it is you want to get in when it's cheap instead of chasing a climbing stock. So it's basically a discount. So when Zomedica was down all last week, so Zomedica was trading below $1 all last week, and I must have made at least 3 to 4 videos saying to load the boat, and now it's at $1.12. So who does not like a discount? That's what I said in the last video. That was a discount, and for me, that's when I want to get my stocks, when it's nice and cheap, not when it's climbing. But nevertheless, I know a lot of you are new watchers to the channel, so welcome to the channel. But yeah, we're going to talk about are these two stocks still a buy. But yeah guys, before I get into the video, please smash that like button and also subscribe down below to support the channel and follow the million mile journey. And also my free Discord link is down below in the description. And also we started the 10k challenge, whereby I put 1k into a new portfolio and we're gonna grow that 1k to 10k. So you could potentially do the same thing with $100 to 1k by the end of the year. So use my Webull link down below in the description, and when you deposit $100 you get 2 free shares worth up to $1,850. So deposit $100 and you can invest that $100 to 1k by the end of the year by following the 10k challenge. So open your Webull account using the link in that description. But yeah guys, let's get into this video. So yeah, so the first stock we're going to talk about is Zomedica. So Zomedica I first recommended at 48 cents and we've seen highs of $1.40. So this stock is a short-term play up until the end of March, which has a huge catalyst when a product comes out in the market. So this stock, we want the stock to get to $2 to $3 by the end of March. That's our price predictions. So now the stock is sitting at $1.12. So ideally you wanted to get the stock below $1, or now in the low $1 cost range, preferably below $1.10. So when this stock goes up to $2 and above, you would have doubled your investment. When it goes to $3 and above, you would have tripled your investment. And even at $1.50, if this stock keeps going up, it's still a buy, and I still average up, because the way I see it is long term or up until the end of March, is this stock gonna make me money or give me a nice return? And if the answer is yes, then this stock will still be a buy even at $2. But obviously you want to get in early so you can get as much gains as possible, and even if it dips, you want to add on the dips. So don't let the dips scare you, because ultimately it's the dips that's going to make you money in the stock market, as well as being patient and holding the stock. So in my last video we talked about an analyst which upped their price target for Zomedica from 30 cents to $1.20, which is a big upside, and this was very good news, and also gave the stock a buy rating. And this stock is not even at $1.20 yet, so the price target is above the current share price, and we know a lot of price targets are never accurate, they're normally below. So this stock is going to $3, especially now that analysts are upping their price target. This stock is going to $3 by March, because when the product comes out, it's in a booming market, and this company is going to keep growing year on year. By the end of the year, this can even be a $5 to $10 stock, no doubt. But for me, this is a short-term play, so ride this stock till March, $3, then I'll start taking profit, and I might leave a small position and let that position just do its thing. So I'll take profit, take my initial investment, then leave a small position, and it can get to $5, $10, and I'll be more than happy. But yeah guys, so let's talk about the second stock, which is Transenterix. So ticker symbol is TRXC. So we've been in this stock or in this play for 3 weeks. So since it was at $1.16, so if you're with me from the start, you would have got in the $1 cost range. Now it's past $2, and now it's sitting at $3.39. So you would have tripled your investment, or nearly tripled your investment, if you'd got in when I first made my video. But yeah guys, let's talk about price predictions for this stock. But before we get into that, so in my last video we talked about how the surgical robotic space is expected to grow to 26 billion in 7 years time. And also this company recently received their CE mark approval for use in Europe, and also their device is the first and only abdominal and robotic surgery device. So it's innovative. So from this, the company is in a growing sector, and also they're expanding globally, and also they've got an innovative product, which is 3 important ingredients for a successful company. So yeah, let's talk about price predictions. So short term, this stock is going to $5 to $10. Longer term, this could be a $10 to $20 stock in a year or two. So let's talk about, is this stock still a buy? So ideally, I wanted you to get the stock in the $1 cost range or the $2 cost range, but now we're in the $3 cost range. So the way you need to look at it is, long term, do you see this company underperforming or not growing? And the answer is no. So ideally, this $3 cost base will be very, very cheap in 6 months time, or 6 months to a year's time, when the stock is at $5, $7, or even potentially $10. So that's the way you need to look at it. So this $3 cost base is still very attractive. So this is not a stock that I'll day trade or swing trade. This is more of a long-term stock, minimum 6 months, because I believe it's going to give you a very good return. So this company is in a growing sector. Also, they're expanding and taking a product global to Asia and also Europe, and they've got a very innovative product. So this company for me is a longer term holder, and this $3 cost range, ideally you want to get this if it dips to the low $3, and if it dips to the $2 cost range, then you want to load the boat. So don't let the dips scare you. Buy the dips, because it's the dips that's going to make you money in this stock market. But yeah guys, so a few people keep asking me, so which one is a better investment, Zomedica or Transenterix? So we're going to talk about both. So which one would I personally put my money into, or most of my money into? So first of all, let's talk about the pros for both companies. So both companies are in a growing sector, and both companies have innovative products. However, if we're thinking shorter term, I believe that Zomedica could give you a greater return shorter term. So, but longer term, I believe they can both perform well. But if I'm basing it off shorter term, I'd put most of my money into Zomedica. So if I had $500 to invest into these two stocks, I'd put $300 into Zomedica and $200 into Transenterix. Then Zomedica, once the stock goes up huge by March and I take profit, I'd consider even moving that money into Transenterix and holding it long term. So that's what I personally would do. So if I have to choose one, Zomedica or Transenterix, I'd personally choose Zomedica to invest my money into now. I feel like this stock is insanely undervalued, and we're just waiting for this stock to take off. When this stock takes off, it's gonna go past $1.50 and straight to $2. I feel like when this stock is up, it's gonna go up huge. So we could be watching a pre-market and it'll be up 100%, 200% after hours. So that's something to expect. So you want to get in now before it's up 100% after hours. So when it's up, you're holding this stock, because I keep saying this, patience is gonna make you money in this stock market. So you need to be patient and hold a stock, because ultimately, if you can't hold the stock for even 2 months, then you stand no chance of being in the stock market or making good money in the stock market. But yeah guys, this is just a quick video on Zomedica and Transenterix. Don't forget to subscribe down below and smash that like button, and also use my Webull link, deposit £100 and join the 10k challenge. So you can turn $100 or $100, not £100, $100 into 1k by the end of the year. And also you get 2 free shares worth up to $1,850. So already you're ahead of the game. So yeah guys, subscribe down below, follow the Million Mile Journey, and also the free Discord is down below in the description. But yeah guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.